What's up, guys? This is Opinion. My name is Joe, and in today's episode, we have hands-on footage of the new iPhone 9 that will debut in March 31st, or on March 31st. So, this video was uploaded to TikTok, and it is very popular. It's kind of trending right now. I don't know if it's fake or not, but let's look at it together, and then you will be able to see. This is how it starts off, as you can see right now. This is very legit iPhone style so far. I mean, if I look at the font, it looks very much like an iPhone. Here you have something similar. If you look over there, the font is, oh my God, it's almost the same time. So font is very similar. You have the date under that. Okay. And then let's go continue. Let's see the whole thing in one, and then we'll dissect it bit by bit. Okay, pushes the home button, you're in. Turn around, show the bottom, the top. And that's it. That was 15 seconds of glory for us to dissect. Let's go back to the beginning. All right, what do we see? We see the screen, and I think they're reusing the iPhone 8, 6, whatever screens, because if you look at the screen in light, you can see that there, over here, the light breaks, so it's probably curved screen. So they're using the old screens of the iPhone 8 era. Now they have the Touch ID over here. You have a front-facing camera, and basically that's it. This is nothing new from the front. You can already see that something's not the same from the sides over here, but we need to go forward and see from there. Now, this is very important. When you click the home button, it's a very nice animation. It's the animation that usually comes with an iPhone. If I want to click and go in over here, it's exactly the same animation you get with any iPhones. So far, this looks legit, and this is very hard to replicate in other kinds of softwares. Now let's go, and here is the money shop. Here we have the side, and what we see over here is an iPad style flat square design. Now on the right side, as we are used to it, you have the power button and you have the SIM card or SIM tray. That all seems legit so far, and from this side you can see that the camera, there is a camera bump, and it's a single camera. Probably the camera will be a 12 megapixel iPhone 8 style camera. Now let's go, and here you can see it's reflective, so it's probably going to be clear glass on the back. We're starting to see the new color. This is some kind of like a coral color, and here you can see that there's a big camera bump, just like with the iPhone 8. Nothing different on the back. I think they're using kind of the same glass, but you can see that the whole side is flat, which is really, really cool. Now, you look at the back. Let's try to look at the Apple logo without any flare. Let's go back here. So the Apple logo position is not like on the iPhone 11. It's back here on top again. Remember on the iPhone 11 and 11 Pro, they brought it down to the middle, but not on this. This is one place where I think they're reusing those kind of plates that they had from the iPhone 8, and the iPhone text is fine on the bottom. It looks very similar to what we are used to, a little bit thicker than like the iPhone 6s, but of course. Now what I don't understand is, you can see over here is it says front, but this is obviously the back, so why is that saying front? I cannot make out any other text on that, sadly. So let's just go forward. Now here we are at the bottom. This is something that we are used to. Maybe if we turn it around. Yeah, we see the top. We're going to see the bottom again. There you go. I think, yeah, there you go. Cool. So as you can see on the bottom, usually you have the speaker, you have 2 screws, and you have the microphone. The microphone is going to be like you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 holes for the speaker, and you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 holes, maybe more if there's might be something in the way, but 4 holes for the microphone. This is how the bottom part is going to look like, and this really looks like a simple lightning cable. So let's go back a little bit and let's look at what we can see over here. Now on the top there is nothing, absolutely nothing, nada. On the side, of course, we can see that there's 2 volume rockers and the mute switch. Again, very iPad style, flat, gorgeous. Now we have over here, as you can see, the antenna lines down on the bottom, both on the top, and that's it. This is our introduction to the iPhone 9. It's wow, I am generally enthusiastic because of this new design. And if I go back a little bit over here, you can see on the side that the glass is not flush on the phone. It's not flush. This is not really Apple-like, but as you can see with the 6S, it wasn't flush, so it could be. The Touch ID sensor is fine and dandy, so no worries about that. And, guys, that's it. Guys, thank you very much for watching. I want to know what you guys think of this video. Is it fake or is it real? Will the iPhone 9 look like this? Let me know down in the comment section below. And until my next video, stay safe.